Ooh, what's going on my fellow crypto freaks? It's your boy Kevin. Welcome back to the channel. Some big things happening with Shiba Inu Token, some big news, some big updates. A lot of bad press has been hitting the airways over the last couple of days. CoinDesk even came out and said that Shiba Inu Token could drop by more than 90%. 90%, that is a far fall, my friends. But even with all this bad press, even with Shiba Inu coming off of those all-time highs by a considerable amount, I just bought more. I just bought more, baby, because I think it is setting up for another breakout and another move and some more all-time highs. I just bought $5,000 more of Shiba Inu, adding to my already current position. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about why I did that, why I think it's going to go higher. We're going to be talking about the most recent news, the most recent updates, and we're going to be doing some technical analysis as well. So stay tuned. All right, so first, before we get started, I want to talk about one of the most badass stories that I have seen in a long time. All right, so I've been investing in the stock market for over a decade, cryptocurrency the last few years, and this is one of the coolest stories that I've ever seen, and it involves none other than Shiba Inu Token. All right, so the dude, 35 years old, working in a warehouse, so you know he's out there grinding, he's out there hustling, and he decides that he's going to invest $8,000 into Shiba Inu. Homie's name is Rob, and Rob is now officially a millionaire, and he's retiring. How badass of a story is that? And I'm not saying that we should strive to hit the lottery like homie Rob did, but it is why we do it, right? It's why we invest, because we are doing something and we're working to do something better, right? We have a little bit of money now and we want a lot of money later. So Rob took his little bit of money and made it a lot of money, and I want to do the same thing. And it isn't a sprint, it's a long distance marathon, but Rob, he was one of the lucky, fortunate few that hit the lottery. Now I'm trying to hopefully emulate what he did. Maybe not with Shiba Inu, but we'll see. All right, so homie Rob invests $8,000 into Shiba Inu. He added the $8,000 gradually, building up to a total position of $8,000. And he says that he expected his holdings to grow. Obviously, no shit, Sherlock. If you're investing money into something, then obviously you expect it to go up in price. So as the value kept soaring in May, Rob could see his holdings multiply and said he would check his account every hour to make sure his gains were still there. I'd be doing the same thing. He says that he would come home, or he came from quite a poor background, and that he could never have fantasized about having this much money. He then cashed in half of it, or $500,000 worth of Shiba Inu, and deposited it back into his bank account. And I know a lot of you are grimacing out there saying hodl, hodl, but you got to respect it, right? You got to lock in some of those profits. He's still letting $500,000 ride. That's more than most of us can say. Another surge in the coin's value raised Rob's earning to over $1 million, according to documents reviewed by Fortune. What an awesome story. All right, let's get into meat and potatoes. Let's get into what is actually going on with Shiba Inu right now. All right, let's jump back to the chart real quick. So we had the massive breakout out of the bull flag. We've documented this move on the channel quite a bit. Breakout, hit all-time highs up near the 409 mark, right? Boom. We have then sold off quite a bit. And this is not uncommon. Everybody's acting like this is the end of the world. You make a move up, and then you pull back, you consolidate. Look what happened the last time we consolidated. We had a pullback, then we made that monster move. And here's why I think this is a possible outcome, right? The same thing could happen. You get the bull flag, and then you break out and make new all-time highs. And here is why I bought more today. We have defined risk. We have that area of support that we're buying in front of. We have history, and history repeats itself. And if that history repeats itself, this bull flag is going to end up getting broken out of, and new highs are going to be put in. want to talk about an article that CoinDesk put out a couple days ago or yesterday talking about how Shiba Inu could drop for a 90% crash. And it's just pure FUD, right? I mean, it's pure FUD, but I have seen it floating out there on the social media networks that are out there. You know, everybody likes to flaunt these catchy headline articles. 90% crash in Shiba Inu. It's going to crash. Well, it might, but I don't think it will. And here's why. So they're referencing a 90% crash that happened way back in Shiba Inu, I think when it first came out. And here's why I don't think that Shiba Inu is going to crash. There's too many holders. If we look at coin market cap and go to holders, the amount of holders keeps on climbing. Right now, there is almost 1,931,000 wallets that currently own Shiba Inu. You're not going to have all of those people dumping like happened a few months ago when there was that 90% drop in Shiba Inu. There's too many holders. There's too much diversity. There's not one developer that has like 75% of the tokens in their wallet and they can just pull the rug out. That is not the case here. And look at this. I found this really interesting. The amount of holders over the last week has just gone straight up from 905,000 on November 3rd to 935,000 almost on November 8th. But if you go back to the chart, during that same time, the price has been dropping. So we have more people buying Shiba Inu. It's not losing its popularity. It's actually gaining popularity. So the amount of wallet addresses that are holding Shiba Inu continue to climb, but the price has dropped. That is telling me that this is a buy the dip situation. I also read another hit piece on Shiba Inu saying that it's going to crash. And their reasoning is that the average hold time, the average time that someone buys Shiba Inu and holds it and then sells it is only 10 days. For Litecoin, you have an average hold time of 97 days and Bitcoin 79 days. That obviously didn't matter with Litecoin as Bitcoin has way outperformed Litecoin. Ethereum, the average hold time 79, Cardano 68, and Dogecoin, you have 50 days. But here's why I think this data is skewed. Number one, it's just now gaining traction. So you have a ton of new people coming into the coin. Obviously, there's going to be some rotation there. If you look at this data a year from now, I think it's going to be vastly different. Also, the number of holders keeps climbing, right? We just saw that via CoinMarketCap. If the number of holders was declining, that would have me a little bit concerned. But as long as those numbers keep climbing, then I'm going to keep buying. Because as it gains more popularity, the community grows, it becomes more and more legit. It doesn't get any better than this, folks. AMC, American Cinema Chain, AMC, is contemplating accepting Shiba Inu for payments to go watch a movie. How fitting is that? So if this does indeed happen, it doesn't really do anything long-term for Shiba Inu, I think, but it solidifies it as not only a meme coin, but you can actually use it to pay for something and go watch a movie. So I thought this was pretty cool. AMC contemplating. I don't think it's nothing set in stone, but they're contemplating accepting Shiba Inu Token. Also, here's the big news. This is what has me the most excited. This is why I bought $5,000 more of Shiba Inu. Robinhood crypto COO had a talk today. She was interviewed and was asked about Shiba Inu, asked about Robinhood crypto, and her answers were very, very, very favorable of Shiba Inu. She actually praised the Shiba Inu community. And she was talking about how they're going to be rolling out Robinhood crypto wallets for the Q1 of 2022. Q1 2022, they're going to be launching this thing. It's in beta right now. They are already rolling out select customers, giving them access to the Robinhood crypto wallet. Now, right now, you can trade like futures on the crypto markets using Robinhood. It's not, you don't really own the cryptocurrency. You can't go out and use the cryptocurrency. You can't send that cryptocurrency out of Robinhood. When they roll out this new crypto platform, you're going to be able to actually use that cryptocurrency because it's going to be in your own wallet. That is going to probably allow traders and investors to buy Shiba Inu. Also, you're probably going to be able to use something like Uniswap to convert something like Ethereum into Shiba Inu, which is going to just increase the amount of Shiba Inu holders from that $1 million mark to probably, 5x that? So is that going to increase the price? I'm not a data scientist, but I would guess that it would. Right now, I currently own 89 million Shiba Inu tokens. I have an order out to buy more down here, and if we keep dropping, I'm going to be adding all the way down. Why am I going to be adding? We have support. We already came down, slammed into this level, and bounced back up. We're currently bull flagging. If we look at an hourly chart, if we look at a faster time frame chart, we can see that we've just been kind of consolidating in this big giant flag pattern. We're going to go one way or the other. And when we break out of this triangle pattern, it's going to be explosive in either direction. So I want to be in there before the next move happens because I do believe there's going to be a next move. I do believe it's going to break out because it's becoming more popular as it gains popularity, as it's added to more platforms and brokerages. I think Robinhood's going to add it eventually. It's stupid for Robinhood not to add it because of the amount of money that they could make from just adding another very popular crypto altcoin. Look how much money they made from Dogecoin. They literally made billions of dollars off the Dogecoin frenzy, and they can make another couple billion off of this. Why not do so? Give the customers what they want when they want it, and you make money. It's not that complicated of a concept. I like the setup. I'm not saying go all in, and you guys know that I'm way too stupid to be a financial advisor, so do your own research, do your own due diligence. If you want some free Shiba Inu, that's right, free Shiba Inu, follow these simple steps. Number one, the link in the description to Webull, you sign up, you open a free account, you deposit $5, $10, whatever, $100 you want to deposit. You get up to $2,000 of free money, then sell those stocks that are free money, and then go and buy Shiba Inu on the Webull platform. There you go. Free Shiba Inu. I love all of you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.